Peaceful horizon, your light keeps rising. The sky unfolds in shades of gold, your mercy to behold. Every breath a gentle wave, your love so strong to save. The ocean sings your melody, a timeless symphony. Your spirit in the air, I feel you everywhere. You calm the tides inside, with peace I cannot hide. Your grace will never fade, in you I'm unafraid. Peaceful rises, wide and free. Your presence covers me, every moment, every side. You lift my soul so high. Peaceful rising, calm and true. My heartbeat belongs to you. Forever I will see your peace surrounding me. The wind is soft, the world is still. I'm resting in your will. Every heartbeat starts anew, with gratitude for you. Your light reflects across the sea. It draws me close to thee. Every wave your grace unfolds, more precious than gold. You calm the tides inside, with peace I cannot hide. Your grace will never fade, in you I'm unafraid. Peaceful rising, wide and free. Your presence covers me, every moment, every side. You lift my soul so high. Peaceful rising, calm and true. My heartbeat belongs to you. Forever I will see your peace surrounding me. Let your spirit fill the air. I know you're everywhere. Every fear will fade away in the light of day. You shine beyond the sea, your peace alive in me. Forever I will stay in your gentle way. cleanse my soul. You make the broken whole. Every shadow fades away as you begin to stay. You lift my eyes to see the dawn, a love that carries on. Every breath I take is yours, forevermore. You move like gentle fire, my heart's one desire. Your spirit softly speaks in peace so deep. Shine within me, pure and bright. Guide my heart through the night. Every whisper, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Shine within me, calm and true. All I am belongs to you. Forever I will be where you shine in me. Shine with me, forever. Through endless skies, your mercy flows. Your kindness overflows. Every step I walk in light. Your love makes all things right. You fill the dark with golden hue. My soul finds rest in you. In silence I can hear your voice so clear. You move like gentle fire, my heart's one desire. Your spirit softly speaks in peace so deep. Shine within me, pure and bright. Guide my heart through the night. Every whisper, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Shine within me, calm and true. All I am belongs to you. Forever I will be where you shine in me. Let your glory fill my soul. Make the broken whole. Every shadow fades away when you stand. You're the light that never dies, the hope that fills the skies. Forever I'll remain in your holy flame. Shine within me, pure and bright. Guide my heart through the night. Every whisper, every flame, I'll praise your holy name. Shine within me, calm and true. All I am belongs to you. Forever I will be where you shine. souls your mercy new. My heart belongs to you. Through every shadow, every pain, your love remains the same. You lift my soul above the tide. Your light, my faithful guide. Every breath and every sound, your grace abounds. You move through time and space, unchanging in your grace. Your promise always true. I'm safe in you. Love that never ends, calm and true. Every heartbeat's made by you. Through the storm, through the rain, your joy remains. Love that never ends, warm and near. I feel your spirit here. Forever I depend on love that never ends. To holy light, turn my wrongs to right. Every moment shines anew because of you. You hold the stars, you calm the waves. Your mercy freely saves, and in your hands I find peace divine. Through time and space, unchanging in your grace. Your promise always true. I'm safe in you. Love that never ends, calm and true. Every heartbeat's made by you. Through the storm, through the rain, your joy remains. Love that never ends, warm and near. I feel your spirit here. Forever I depend on love that never ends. When the world fades away, your love will stay. Through the silence and the fire, you lift me higher. You're the rhythm in my chest, my peace, my rest. Forever you defend love that never ends. Forever you meant love that never ends. Breath of heaven, flow through me again. Your spirit moves across the deep. You wake my soul from sleep. Through every calm, through every storm, you keep my heart so warm. Your whisper lingers in the air, a peace beyond compare. Every moment speaks of you. pure and true. You breathe where I can't see. Your love surrounding me. You call me to begin your life within. Breath of heaven, soft and near. Your presence draws me here. Every heartbeat sings your name. Forever you remain. Breath of heaven, calm and wide. You dwell deep inside. Forever I'll be still in your will. You wash away my pain. Your mercy falls like morning dew, restoring what is true. The stars reflect your endless grace. I'm lost within this place where heaven meets the sea. You're breathing into me. You breathe where I can't see. Your love surrounding me. You call me to begin your life within. Breath of heaven, soft and near. Your presence draws me here. Every heartbeat sings your name. Forever you remain. Breath of heaven, calm and wide. You dwell deep inside. Forever I'll be still in your will. Your spirit flows like wind and sea, forever guiding me. In stillness I can hear your voice so clear. You fill the air with peace and light. You turn my wrongs to right. Forever I'll belong within your song. Soft and near, your presence draws me here. Every heartbeat sings your name. Forever you remain. Breath of heaven, calm and wide. You dwell deep inside. Forever I'll be still in your will. Breath of heaven. Echoes of peace calling to me. heart is soft, the stars are near. Your presence whispers clear. Every wave that meets the shore reminds me I'm yours. You breathe in colors of the sky, where time and love collide. Every moment you restore, I'm whole once more. You move within the sound. Your grace is all around. Your spirit gently flows, forever it grows. Echoes of peace, deep and true. I hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I'll remain in this refrain. The morning light begins to rise. Your mercy fills the skies. Every tear you've washed away. In grace I stay. Your spirit moves in every breeze, a song that never leaves. You speak and hearts align. Your love divine. You move within the sound. Your grace is all around. Your spirit gently flows, forever it grows. Echoes of peace, deep and true. I hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I'll remain in this refrain. Your peace like rivers flow wherever I may go. Each breath becomes a prayer. I know you're there. You calm the storm inside. Your love will never hide. Forever you will be peace over me. Echoes of peace, deep and true. I hear your voice come through. Every silence sings your name. Nothing feels the same. Echoes of peace, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I'll remain in this refrain. Echoes of peace, forever you stay. Echoes of peace. Hearts shining through the night. The morning breaks, the shadows by your embrace. We'll carry love so wide, with you as our guide. Forever we'll ignite your hearts of light. Hearts of light, glowing free. You shine through all I see. You shine through all I see. Every color, every sound, your presence all around. Hearts of light, calm and pure. Your mercy will endure. Forever we will be. Forever we will be. Your hearts of light. Hearts of light, hearts of light, forever bright. Hearts of light, hearts of thankful heart, where grace will start. The dawn awakens soft and clear. Your mercy draws me near. Every moment, every sound, your beauty all around. The gentle waves, they sing your praise in endless tender ways. My heart begins to sing. You're all I need to be. You lift me when I fall. You're everything and all. Your presence fills the space with endless grace. Thankful heart, open wide. Your love will be my guide. Every breath, every start flows from this thankful heart. Thankful heart. tear reminds me you are near. Your peace surrounds my soul. You make my spirit whole. Forever I'll proclaim the glory of your thankful heart, open wide. Your love will be my guide. Every breath, every step flows from this thankful heart. Thankful heart, calm and true. All I am belongs to you. Forever set apart. A thankful heart. Presence eternal, forever I'm home. In the silence you remain, through the joy and through the pain. Every heartbeat sings your grace. I feel you in this place. The waves are whispering your name. Your peace will never change. Every breath I take tonight, you fill with holy light. You move through every sound, your glory all around. My soul will always know your light forever glows. Presence eternal, soft and bright. You are my endless light. Every moment, every sigh, you're always by my side. Presence eternal, calm and true. My heart belongs to you. Forever I will stay in your holy way. The stars above begin to glow. Your beauty starts to show. Every thought you sanctify. Your love will never die. Your spirit lingers in the air. I know you're always there. You carry me through night and day. In you I'll always stay. You move through every sound, your glory all around. My soul will always know your light forever glows. Presence eternal, soft and bright. You are my endless light. Every moment, every You set my life apart. Your peace is all I see. You're everything to me. No shadow can remain. Your mercy breaks the chain. Forever you will be my eternity. Presence eternal. Wherever you stay. Presence eternal. Whisper of truth. Forever you move in the stillness of my soul. Your voice makes me whole. Through the silence I can hear. Your words are crystal clear. You breathe new light into the air. I know that you are there. Every doubt begins to fade by the truth you've made. You speak beyond the sound, where grace and peace are found. I'm listening again to where your love begins. Whisper of truth, soft and kind. You bring peace to my mind. Every moment, every hue. I'm drawn closer to you. Whisper of truth, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay in what you say. Your spirit moves in gentle waves. Your mercy freely saves. Every shadow disappears when your whisper nears. You lift me high, you pull me through. My heart belongs to you. I'll follow where you guide. With you I'll abide. You speak beyond the sound, where grace and peace are found. I'm listening again to where your love begins. Whisper of truth, soft and kind. You bring peace to my mind. Every moment, every hue. I'm drawn closer to you. Whisper of truth, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay in what you say. Let your voice fall like the rain, healing every pain. Through the quiet night, you turn dark to light. Your truth restores my Whisper of truth, soft and kind. You bring peace to my mind. Every moment, every hue, I'm drawn closer to you. Whisper of truth, calm and near. I feel your presence here. Forever I will stay in what you say. Oh, whisper of truth.